2, 3, let's switch this up. Okay, hey guys, so welcome back to another video. So today, as you can all see from the title, I'm gonna be doing a huge Target haul. So you know, it's like as of the time that I'm filming this, it's like the start of July, about to be the start of July, and school is coming up, which I'm not excited about whatsoever. I mean, I miss my friends, but like school, no. But it's that time of the year again where we have to go school supply shopping, which can be fun and also super boring. But yeah, so that's what I did today. We went school supply shopping. I already have some of the stuff that I have, but yeah, so let's get to it. Hey guys, so I have all the bags here. I think this is everything, but guess who's excited to go back to school? Not me. But yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first up, let's just start with the backpack, because this is like the main thing, you know? So this year, I got this backpack. I got another pink backpack, but this time it's a JanSport backpack, and I haven't had one of these backpacks for school in like 2 years, but the last time I had one, I was reusing it for like 3 years. So yeah, I had gotten another backpack, but I have decided that I'm gonna use that backpack as a traveling backpack instead of the other one that I have. But yeah, it's just like this rose gold color. It was either gonna be this one or black, but like, you know, I just wanted to have a little pop of color, so I decided to go with this. Also, I did not do a theme this year. I feel like I used to always do themes, but yeah, I'm not doing a theme this year. So yeah, but let's get on to the next item. So I got a few little extra thingies that weren't school related, but whatever. So next up in this bag, I have 4 composition notebooks, red, black, purple, and blue, basic composition notebooks. And then I have the newest Dive Wimpy Kid book. I have read every single one of these, and I haven't read this one yet, so I'm just gonna add this one and I'm gonna read it. And then I have 2 binders, one for choir and one for math. It didn't say on the list that I need binders, but I know that I need binders. So yeah, so this one's gonna be for choir, the purple one, and then this one is gonna be for math, the black one, because it's wider. So yeah. Okay, so next up, we needed some earbuds, and AirPods are banned from my school, even though I still bring them to school, but I don't use them in class. But we need earbuds, not headphones. And only a certain type of earbuds work for me, and it's the ones that are AirPods. So I got these ones from Heyday. They're black and gold ones, and surprisingly these were only $10, which is a really good deal. So yeah. And for my pencil pouch, I just got this small pink one. It's a rubber one. Yeah, I don't really know how to, there's not much to describe it, but yeah. Then I got this NASA shirt. We were gonna do school clothes shopping, but I think I'm gonna do that online this year, because I didn't really find anything at Target that I liked that much. But yeah. Then I got some Ticonderoga pencils. These are literally the best pencils ever. And then I got, oh, it kind of got smashed, but I got this 29 count of sparkly mechanical pencils, because I had a whole bunch last year, and then a whole bunch of people asked me for them. So yeah. And I got this Mighty Patch for your nose. I've been really wanting to try this, and then I saw it, so yeah. And then I got 2 different kinds of black pens. I got these ones, and then they're both by Bic, by the way. And then I got these recycled plastic ones, really cool. So yeah, I got these for my pens. Then last thing in this bag is little note tabs. Then I have 2 notebooks and 3 little folders. Last but not least is this little thing. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!